Are you tired of sending invoices with errors and not knowing how to fix them? Learn to edit any invoice in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to locate the invoice, then walk through each editable field, and finally explain how to save changes with a reason. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Go to the Sales module from the left sidebar. Click on Invoices to see your list of invoices. Select an invoice to edit, for example, the one dated 20 July 2026. Click the Edit button to make changes. Click the Due Date field and update it to a new date. Adjust the adjustment amount if needed. Update the rate for any line item. Click Save to apply your changes so far. You'll be prompted to type a reason for editing the invoice. Go ahead and enter that. Click Save again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully edited your invoice. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.